Good evening, children. Welcome back to the physics class. Yesterday, we have completed quantum numbers, and today we are going to explain about electronic configuration. Electronic configuration means the systematic arrangements of electrons in a orbital. The systematic arrangements of electrons in a orbitals is called electronic configuration. Means here the systematic arrangements is nothing but we have to write the continuous order. When we write the electron configuration, we have to follow the systematic order. According to that, we have to fill the electron in a orbitals. Okay, children. So here S orbital maximum capacity 2 electrons, p orbital maximum electrons 6, d orbitals maximum electrons is 10. S orbital maximum 2 electrons, p orbitals maximum 6, d orbital 10. So in a electron configuration, we have to follow the NLX method. NLX method. NLX method. So means here the shorthand notation of electron configuration. The shorthand notation of electron configuration is called NLX method. The shorthand notation of electronic configuration is called NLX method. So here N stands for principal quantum number. Principal quantum number. L stands for angular momentum quantum number. X means number of electrons present in a orbital. For example, let me write here hydrogen will be there. Hydrogen atomic number is 1 and electron configuration is 1s1. Hydrogen atomic number is 1, electron configuration 1s1. According to NLX method, so here electron configuration is 1s1. Here N principal quantum number, this number is expressed about principal quantum number. This is L 1. The 1 is expressed about principal quantum number. L, it is expressed about angular momentum. Then L means which is expressed the S. X, number of electron. This is the number of electron. How many electron present among? 1 electron will be there. Hydrogen contains 1 electron. The first number, it is the number is expressed about principal quantum number. L is expressed about substance, means S orbital. X is expressed about number of electron present in that. Okay. For example, see, already we know that L value starts from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Here, number 1, it is principal quantum number means N is expressed 1. L, angular momentum expressed S. X means number of electrons present in the orbital. This is called NLX method. The shorthand notation of electron configuration is called NLX method. So here, S, so means L equals to 0, it is S, P, D, F, G. L equals to 0, S orbital. L equals to 1, P orbital. L equals to 2, D orbital. L equals to 3, F orbital. L equals to 4, G orbital. So this is the electronic configuration. The shorthand notation of electron configuration is called NLX method. So if you want to write the more than one electron of electron configuration, if you want to write the more than electron of electron configuration, so for that we have 3 rules. Here only the one I written one electron configuration, that is 1s1. But if you want to write the more than one electron of electron configuration, then we have to follow the three rules. The three rules are: one is Pauli's exclusion rule. Exclusion rule. Pauli's exclusion rule. Second one is Aufbau principle. Third one is Hund's rule. These are the three rules. So these three rules is it is utilized. These three rules is used to write the electron configuration of more than one electron chiller. First, let me see the Pauli's exclusive rule. In that, let me see here, helium atomic number is 2. Electron configuration here 1s2. So here it has the 2 electron. Helium contains 2 electrons here. These 2 electron spin values are, one is, first electron is, it is plus 1 by 2. Second electron, it is minus 1 by 2. Means here, the 2 electrons will have 4 quantum numbers are not equal. It is Pauli's exclusive rule. Helium contains 2 electrons. Electron configuration 1s2. First electron spin value is plus 1 by 2 and second electron spin value is minus 1 by 2. Means here the spin values are not equal. That's why Pauli's exclusive rule here, no 2 electrons will have 4 quantum numbers are same. This is the definition. No 2 electrons will have 4 quantum numbers are same. అంటే ఏంటంటే ఏ రెండు ఎలక్ట్రాన్స్ కైనా కూడా 4 క్వాంటం సంఖ్యలు అనేవి ఈక్వల్ గా ఉండవు. దీనినే పౌలిస్ ఎక్స్క్లూజివ్ రూల్ అని అంటారు. పౌలిస్ ఎక్స్క్లూజివ్ ఆర్ ఎక్స్క్లూజన్ రూల్. No 2 electrons will have 4 quantum numbers are same. Children, we know very well, we have the 4 quantum numbers. First one is principal quantum number. Second one is angular momentum or azimuthal quantum number. Third one is magnetic quantum number. Fourth one is spin quantum number. So here, spin quantum numbers are always, it will be various from one electron to another electron. That's why if the orbital, say helium contains of 2 electrons here, these 2 electrons values are, these 2 electron spins are not equal. The first electron is plus 1 by 2 spin, second electron is minus 1 by 2. That's why here no 2 electrons will have 4 quantum numbers are same. It is called Pauli's exclusive rule. Example, let me see example here. Helium. Let me see the helium. Atomic number is 2. Electron configuration is 1s2. So here we have to apply the 4 quantum numbers for that. It is principal quantum number, angular momentum, magnetic quantum number, and spin quantum number. So already I told you children, according to NLX method. So let me write these values here. N means principal quantum number. See, helium configuration is 1s2. What is the configuration helium? 1s2. Here, according to NLX method, 1, this is 1. So this 1 is expressed above the n value. Means in the n place we have to write 1. S means angular momentum, means it is expressed above the L value. So here already we know L equals to 0. That orbital is called S orbital. So here S orbital will be there. Then S orbital L value how much? 0. Means L place we have to write the 0. Are you understood children? NLX method. The first number it is expressed above the principal quantum number, means 1. This orbital s orbital express about the L value. So s orbital L value how much here? 0. Then L plus is 0. Then magnetic quantum number. Magnetic quantum number is depend on L value. Already L value is given here 0. L value is given 0. Then M, for example, see M into L because the L is 1, ML. Magnetic quantum number depend on angular momentum quantum number. Then M, right, as usual. L, what is the L value here? 0. M into 0 means 0. Then this value is also 0. Here 2 will be there. How many electrons present in this? 2. Means every orbital maximum electrons are 2. These 2 electrons here. First electron and second electron. The first electron always it is rotated clockwise direction, then its value plus 1 by 2. Second electron always spins anti-clockwise direction, this value is minus 1 by 2. Then here 2 electrons will be there. 1 electron clockwise rotation electron value plus 1 by 2 and another electron minus 1 by 2. This is the helium configuration, Pauli's exclusive rule. See children, N value 1, L value 0, ML value 0, but spin quantum numbers are variation will be there. Plus half and minus half. That's why here we have applied only the 2 electrons here. Okay, no 2 electrons will have 4 quantum numbers are same. Here only 2 electrons, but quantum numbers are variation will be there. It is called Pauli's exclusive rule. No 2 electrons will have 4 quantum numbers are same. It is called Pauli's exclusive rule. And next one, Aufbau rule. According to Aufbau rule, electrons occupies lowest energy of orbital. Electrons occupies lowest energy of orbital. This is called Pauli's Aufbau principle. Electrons occupies lowest energy orbital is first. It is called Aufbau principle. Okay, electron occupies lowest energy orbital first. But how do you know which orbital is consist of least energy or low energy? How can you identify? How can you identify which orbital is low energy? Then the energy of orbital depend on their n plus L value. N plus L value. If orbital n plus L values are less, the first electron enter into particular that orbital. Means, according to Aufbau principle, electrons occupies lowest energy orbital is first. Then after highest. So means, whenever we start the electron configuration, every electron configuration starts with 1s only. Because 1s is the lowest energy orbital. So the energy orbital depends on n plus L value. Which orbital n plus L values are less? Electron enter into particular that orbital. Okay, let me see example. The most important. For example, now hydrogen just we have to write electron. It is contains 1. Electron configuration is 1s 1. Because 1s is the lowest energy orbital than all. That's why we have to start the electron configuration of hydrogen is 1s1. In the same way, for example, first we written 1s. Why don't we start with the 2s? First, why we written 1s? Why don't we write the 2s? Because of the systematic order is 1s, 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p, 4s, 3d. For example, this is the order. According to this order, we have to write the electron configuration. First 1s filling after, we have to go with 2s. 2s completely filling after 2p. But don't jump from 1s to 2p. 2p to 4s like that. You have to follow this order, systematic order. But according to Aufbau rule, electrons occupies lowest energy orbital is first. How do you know which orbital is lowest in this? Then we have to find their n plus L value. So, for example, let me see. First, why don't we write 2s? Why we written 1s? Then we check the n plus L value. First orbital 1s, second orbital is 2s. First, why we written 1s? Why don't we written 2s? Let me see. N plus L value. N means principal quantum number, children. It starts from 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. So already told you n value. N means here the 1. The 1 is indicates n value. N plus L value 1. In the n place we have to substitute 1 plus s orbital L value. This is the orbitals expressed. This is the letters. Then s orbital L value how much, Amma? 0. Then 1 plus 0 equals to 1. Second one, 2s. N value is 2 here. Plus L of s orbital L value. Here s orbital L value already we know 0. 2. See here, 1s, 2s is greater than 1s. According to this rule, first we have to fill the lowest energy orbital. Means 1s is lower than the 2s. That's why we have to written first 1s. According to our code. This is the, like this we can identify the n plus L value with strength. We can identify the orbital strength. But we have to write with lowest energy orbital is first. So here for example, see 1s we tell 1s is less than 2s. 2s energy is less than 2p. 2p energy level is less than 3s. 3s energy level is less than 3p. 3p energy level is less than 4s. 4s energy level less than 3d. So means the least energy, the least atomic number is 1s1. For example, see it is scandium. It is 21. Electron configuration, let me see children. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d1. This is the electron configuration of scandium. Count the electrons 21. So here 2, 4, 10, 12, 18, 20, 21. Here see children, all s orbital after 2s orbital we filled 2p, 3s after 3p, 4s after. Why don't we fill the 4p? Why we written 3d? According to Aufbau rule, electrons occupies lowest energy orbital is first. The energy of orbital depend on n plus L value. So here all the s orbital after 2s after we written 2p, 2p after 3s, 3s after 3p, 4s after. Why don't we write 4p? Why we written 3d? Then let me find the difference between 3d and 4p. 3d and 4p, their n plus L value. Okay, children. Already told you, n means principal quantum number, this number. N plus you have to substitute 3 plus d orbital L value. Here d orbital L value is children 2. Then total 5. Next this one. N value of 4p orbital. This is the n value 4 plus p orbital L value. P orbital L value how much here? 1. 5. See here, both orbital n plus L values are equal. Then why don't we write 4p after 4s? Why we written 3d? Here see both orbital n plus L, 3d orbital n plus L value 5, 4p orbital n plus L value 5. Then why don't we write 4p after 4s? Means here one condition will be there. When the two orbitals n plus L values are equal, here 3d orbital value 5, 4p orbital value 5. when the two orbitals n plus l values are equal, then we consider their n value. N value. So here 3d orbital n value 3, it is less than 4p. 3d orbital n value less than 4. That's why we have to written 3d. ఎందుకంటే మనకి ఏంటమ్మా ఆబో ప్రిన్సిపల్ అంటే electrons occupies lowest energy orbital is first. Energy of orbital depend on n plus l value. ఈ n plus l value ఏ ఆర్బిటాల్ అయితే తక్కువగా ఉంటుందో ఫస్ట్ ఎలక్ట్రాన్ దాంట్లోకి ఎంటర్ అవుతుంది. దిస్ ఇస్ ఇక్కడ 4s తర్వాత అన్ని s తర్వాత p ఆర్బిటాల్స్ ఉన్నాయి. 4s తర్వాత 4p ఎందుకు రాయలేదంటే 4p ఆర్బిటాల్ n వాల్యూ is greater than 3. According to this rule, we have to write the lowest value. Both orbital n plus l value equal. When it is equal, then we go with here their n value. It is the first condition. When the n plus l values are equal, then we have to go with their n values. Which orbital n value is less, then we have to write that orbital in electron configuration. This is the Aufbau rule or Aufbau principle. Once again, electrons occupies lowest energy orbital is first. Energy of orbital depend on their n plus l value. If the orbital, both orbital n plus l values are equal, then we have to consider their least n value. Then that least value how to write in the configuration. This is Aufbau principle or Aufbau rule. Then let us see one more. According to in this Aufbau rule, electrons field, how it is filled. Let us see with the Euler diagram. Euler diagram or Euler chart. So this Euler diagram is, it is helpful to write the electron configuration in systematic order according to their energy levels. According to their energy level. Already we know that energy level means electrons occupies least energy orbitals is first. So Euler diagram or Euler chart, it is helpful to write the electron configuration in systematic order and according to their energy levels. Let me see how it is. So here 8 circles will be there. Then after left first one, next 6 circles, then after left first and last, so this all the 8 circles which are the vertical, these are all belongs to s orbital. First 1s orbital, 2s, 3s, 4s, 5s, 6s, 7s and 8s. All the s orbital. Their n value n equals to 1, n equals to 2, n equals to 3, n equals to 4, n equals to 5, n equals to 6, n equals to 7, n equals to 8. All s orbital L value 0 ma. S orbital, all the s orbital L value is 0. Now s orbital, all the s orbital complete. 1s to s. S orbital, it is the p orbital. It starts from 2p, 3p, 4p, 5p, 6p, 7p. P orbital L value how much amma? L value is 1. S orbital complete, P orbital complete. Then D orbital 3d, 4d, 5d, 6d. D orbital L value how much amma? L equals to 2. Then T orbital complete. 4f, 5f. First 1, 2, 3, 4. All the s orbitals are first 1 to 8. These are all belongs to s orbital. S orbital L value, all the s orbital L values 0. Then p orbital, all the p orbital L values 1. D orbital, all the d orbital L values 2. Then f orbital, all the f orbital L value is 3. Now, according to the sharing of electrons, according to the sharing of electrons, so first every electron configuration we have to start with the 1s. Children, be careful while drawing this diagram, Euler diagram. So then when you see it is then we have to feel that very easy diagram, but it is very difficult diagram. And if you do any mistake, if you do negligence, you will get complete wrong information from this. So see, first electron configuration start with 1s. Means like this, you have to draw the arrow symbol 1s. The arrow symbol should be drawn from upwards to downwards. It is from here to here. 1s after 2s. 2s after 2p. 2p after 3s. 3s after 3p. 3p after 4s. 4s after 3d. 3d after 4p. 4p after 5s. 5s. 5s after 4d. 4d after 5p. 5p after 6s. 6s after 4s. 4s after 5d. 5d after 6p. 6p after 7s. 7s after 5f. 5f after 6d. After 7p. After 8s. So this is a Euler diagram. According to this, we have to write the energy levels. Every energy level should be less than. Take the symbol less than. See, first electron enter into which, don't be calculate from here to here, lowerwards to upwards. You have to calculate from upwards to downward, like this. Okay. So it is Euler diagram. Then ఇంకా కొంచెం మాడిఫై చేసుకోవడం మనం డయాగ్రామ్ రాయొచ్చు. టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ లో ఉన్న మాదిరిగా. ఎలా అంటే ఈ ఆరో సింబల్ నుండి ఈ గ్యాప్ లో నుండి ఇలా. First electron enter into 1s. Electron enter into 1s. Take the less than symbol, because according to Aufbau rule, electron occupies lowest energy orbital is first. That's why you have to take the less than symbol. First 1s. 1s is less than 2s. 2s is less than. గ్యాప్ లో నుండి రాని వాली లైన్ జాగ్రత్తగా చూడండి. 2s after see 2p. 2p after 3s means 2p less than 3s. 3s less than 3p. 3p less than 4s. 4s less than 3d. 3d less than 4p. 4p less than 5s. 5s is less than 4d. See here, arrow symbol, see children. This line you have to must and should draw in between the circles. See this. 5s after, see 5s after 4d. 4d less than 5p. 5p less than 6s. 6s less than 6s less than 4f. 4f is less than 5d. 5d is less than 6p. 6p is less than 7s. 7s is less than 5f. 5f is less than 6d. 6d is less than 7p. 7p is less than 8s. This is the energy level of Euler diagram, children. These are the energy levels. Energy levels of orbital. We have to take the less than symbol only because electrons occupies lowest energy orbital is first. 1s is less than 2s. 2s is less than 2p. 2p less than 3s. 3s is less than 3p. 3p less than 4s. 4s is less than 3d. 3d is less than 4p. 4p is less than 5s. 5s is less than 4d. 4d is less than 5p. 5p less than 6s. 6s is less than 4f. 4f is less than 5d. 5d is less than 6p. 6p is less than 7s. 7s is less than 5f. 5f is less than 6d. 6d is less than 7p. 7p is less than 8s. These are the energy levels, Euler diagram. It is a very most important. Then when we write the electron configuration, by seeing of this, we can easily write the order. See, you have to follow this order, must and should. This is the Euler diagram. According to this, electrons occupies lowest energy orbital is first. It is called Euler diagram. And the next one is next principle or rule, Hund's rule. Or Hund's principle. So, children, before this, we have to explain about the degenerate orbital. Degenerate orbital. What is meant by degenerate orbital? Means the same energy orbitals are called degenerate orbital. Same energy orbitals are called degenerate orbital. So example of degenerate orbital, p orbitals and d orbitals. P orbitals and d orbital. So p orbital, when it is placed into the magnetic field, so p maximum electron 6. When it is placed into the magnetic field, it will be split into 3 suborbital. That is px, py, pz. Means p orbital, how many maximum degenerate orbital contains p? Means 3 degenerate orbital. Here the maximum electrons in p orbital 6. When they are decomposed into 3 parts, then each one carries 2 electrons. See here px, py, pz. They share the electrons equally. Px share 2 electrons, py share 2 electrons, and pz share 2 electrons. Any variation is there, children, here? So this kind of orbitals is called degenerate orbital. Same energy orbitals is called degenerate orbital. Why we get this same energy means the sharing of electrons equally. Px share 2 electrons, py share 2 electrons, pz share 2 electrons. Total maximum p orbital electrons how many number? 6. Px, py, pz. So this kind of orbitals is called degenerate orbital. The same energy orbitals is called degenerate orbital. And same way d orbitals also. D maximum strength. When it is placed into the magnetic field, it is split into 5 parts. dxy, dxz, dyz, dx square minus y square, dz square. 10 means each carry 2 electrons. So d orbital, see every orbital shares the electron to dxy, to dxz, to dyz, to dx square minus y square, to dz square, to. Means every degenerate orbital here shares the electrons equally. Due to that, it is acquired same energy. This kind of orbitals is called degenerate orbital. The same energy orbitals are called degenerate orbital. P orbital, how many degenerate orbital contains P? There are 3 degenerate orbital. They are Px, Py, Pz. How many degenerate orbital contains of d orbital? There are 5. dxy, dxz, dyz, dx square minus y square, dz square. Every orbital share the electrons equally. This kind of orbitals is called degenerate orbital. Okay, children. Today's class is going to end, and one important